Good morning. In the last lecture, we derived this equation for group wave. Let me call this as equation number 5. You know the correct number. You can proceed with correct equation numbers. This is the expression for group wave or wave group. We are interested in finding the expression for wave velocity and group velocity. Wave velocity is given by W is equal to omega by K or C square divided by V. We already got this in earlier articles. Let me write this as equation 6. And the group velocity may be taken as U is equal to d omega by dk, equation 7. Using this, we have to derive expressions for the wave velocity and group velocity. Actually, expression for group velocity was already derived. Here we have to derive the expression for group velocity. Group velocity, the velocity of group of waves. Group of waves are formed by two or more waves having same amplitude and slightly different frequency or wavelength. The velocity of a wave is dependent on the wavelength. The velocity of the wave will change as the wavelength is changing, and it may be different in different media. If the two waves composing the group wave have different velocities because of different wavelength in different media, the wave velocity and group velocity will be different. If the wave velocity of the wave composing the group wave are same, then the group wave may have velocity equal to velocity of the wave. We want to verify this. For this, we shall use the equations we already derived. The expression for angular frequency and the expression for propagation constant. We shall apply few manipulations to the equation we wrote for propagation constant. We have written for propagation constant, as well as the manipulation is to be applied to the expression written for the angular frequency. Let me write the expression for angular frequency. As you know, omega is equal to 2 pi nu. 2 pi is constant, nu. We know one more equation. E is equal to h nu. From this, nu is equal to E divided by h, that is further mc square divided by h. So for this nu, let us put this value here. So omega will be equal to 2 pi mc square divided by h, or this is for the 2 pi m0 c square divided by h into square root of 1 minus v square by c square, equation number 8. So we shall write the angular frequency omega 2 pi nu in this form. Omega is equal to 2 pi m0 c square divided by h into square root of 1 minus v square by c square. Similarly, let us go to write expression for propagation constant k. K is equal to 2 pi by lambda, right? For relativistic motion, we got the momentum P is equal to h by lambda in earlier article. This may be further lambda is equal to h divided by P, that is h divided by mv. So let us substitute lambda is equal to h by mv. So 1 by lambda will be equal to mv divided by h. Put this value here. So k is equal to 2 pi mv divided by h. This is nothing but 2 pi m0v divided by h into square root of 1 minus v square by c square, equation number 9. Equation 8 for omega. Equation 8 is derived for omega, which is the angular frequency. Equation 9 is derived for propagation constant k. We started omega with 2 pi nu, and with these equations we got omega is equal to this. We started k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. With the help of these we got k is equal to this thing. Equation for k is this. With the help of these equations we got k is equal to this. If you go for this equation, w is equal to omega by k, see what will happen. This divided by this, 2 pi m0 c square, 2 pi m0, 2 pi m0 get cancelled. H square root of 1 minus v square by c square, h into square root of 1 minus v square by c square get cancelled. And what will be left? C square divided by v. The same equation as equation 6. Equation 8 and 9 are not derived to verify 6. Equation 8 and 9 are obtained because we want to have value of u, value of the expression for u, the group velocity. What is this equation? D omega by dk. I may write this equation further as u is equal to d omega by dv divided by dk by dv. There is no change in this equation and in this equation. These two equations are same, right? So equations 8 and 9 are not derived to verify w is equal to omega by k. These are derived to verify this u, group velocity. This group velocity d omega by dk may also be written as u is equal to d omega by dv divided by dk by d. Let me write this as equation number 10. I have to derive d omega by dv from equation 8 and dk by dv from equation 9. So let me wipe out all these except equation for k. and here also. Let me wipe out all except equation for omega. Now let us get d omega by dv from equation 8. So differentiate equation 8 with respect to v on both sides. So LHS will be d omega by dv. On this side 2 pi m0 c square divided by h, all these are constant. So let me take this as 2 pi m0 c square divided by h as constant. Differentiate this, square root of 1 minus v square by c square. Square root of 1 minus c square by v square may be written as 1 minus v square by c square to the power minus 1 by 2 when I take it to the numerator. And now differentiate this with respect to v, and differentiation of this with respect to v will be minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus v square by c square bracket to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of the bracketed term. Differentiation of 1 is 0. What left? Minus v square by c square. 1 by c square is constant. So let me put here minus 1 by c square constant. Differentiation of v square is simply 2v. dv is already taken to this side. Now simplify this. 2 is here, 2 is here. This 2 get cancelled with this 2. This minus get cancelled with this minus. There is no plus sign. So this c square get cancelled with this c square. And what left is 2 pi m0 divided by h into 1 minus v square by c square, this bracket taken to the denominator, so the power will be 3 by 2. It is d omega by dv, equation number 11. Differentiating equation 8 with respect to v, we get equation 11. So d omega by dv is obtained. Now we have to get dk by dv. To get dk by dv, we have to go to this equation and differentiate this. Let me take away all these things except this equation 11. Let me write this equation 11 here. D omega by dv is equal to 2 pi m0 divided by h 1 minus v square by c square bracket to the power 3 by 2, equation 11. See, all the terms are taken. V is left here. So we have to write v here, v here. This v left here. Remember. So take this v here as well as there. Okay. Once more verify. Taken, v, considered. This is considered. So just wipe out these things. Now differentiate equation 9 with respect to v. dk by dv is equal to 2 pi m0 by h is constant. 2 pi m0 divided by h is constant. V is variable, this is also variable. How to put this? V into 1 minus V square by C square bracket to the power minus 1 by 2. This square root term is taken in the denominator. Okay, constant terms are taken here. What is left in the bracket? V into this. We have to apply the product formula. Let us first keep V constant, differentiate this. After that, we shall keep this constant and differentiate this. So V held constant, differentiate this, minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus V square by C square bracket to the power minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of this bracket minus 1 by C square into 2V plus. Now held this constant. Differentiation of V with respect to V is 1. 1 divided by, take this into the denominator, 1 minus V square by C square bracket to the power 1 by 2. So differentiation of equation 9 with respect to V is this. Let us simplify the terms. 2 in the denominator, 2 in the numerator get cancelled. Okay. Then minus get cancelled. Okay. What left here? V square by C square divided by this. So this is further 2 pi m0 divided by h into, in the square bracket, V square divided by C square into 1 minus V square by C square to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 minus V square by C square to the power 1 by 2. Now we have to simplify this square bracket. Let us see how to simplify this square bracket. LCM of this will be just C square into this. So let me solve it here first. Let me take LCM. C square 1 minus V square by C square to the power 3 by 2. Okay. What will come here? LCM divided by this denominator will be equal to 1. 1 into V square plus LCM divided by this. What will come? C square into bracket to the power 1. C square into 1 minus V square by C square. So let me put these terms for this square bracket here. dk by dv is equal to 2 pi m0 divided by h into 1 minus V square by C square to the power 3 by 2 into C square, and in the numerator C square plus C square minus V square. Something went wrong. So v square written here, 1 into c square minus c square get cancelled, v square will be left, minus v square plus v square get cancelled, this c square get cancelled, and what left is dk by dv is equal to 2 pi m0 divided by h into 1 minus v square by c square bracket to the power 3 by 2, equation number 12. So using equation for angular frequency and differentiating with respect to v, equation 11 obtained. Using equation for propagation constant, differentiating with respect to v, equation 12 is obtained. Let us substitute equation 11 and equation 12 into equation 10, so that u is equal to this thing first, 2 pi m0v divided by h into 1 minus v square by c square bracket to the power 3 by 2, this divided by this, that is nothing but multiplied by h into 1 minus v square by c square bracket to the power 3 by 2 divided by 2 pi m0. 2 pi m0 get cancelled, h get cancelled, this bracket get cancelled. What left here is only v, that is u is equal to v. What finally we got is u is equal to v, equation 13. What does this mean? It means that the velocity of the body, a body is in motion, its velocity is v. Velocity of the body v and the group velocity both are same, although according to this equation w is equal to omega by k is equal to c square by v. This wave velocity w is not same as v and u, but group velocity u and velocity of the body v both are same. That is, the group velocity is equal to velocity of the body. It means that the group velocity u is in its turn not have simple physical interpretation. So this is expression for velocity of the group wave or wave group. We already derived this, the expression for velocity of the wave. So this is about the wave velocity and group velocity. I have explained each and every term needed here. I have derived every step, and with this we arrived finally at the expressions for wave velocity and group velocity. Hope you understood this. Thank you.